Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 26D25CN. So this is your half-inch replacement trailer lug stud for your 3,500 pound, 6,000 pound, 5,200 pound axles, and it comes with your standard cone nut. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is a common stud found on 3,500 pound axles, 52s and 6s, with your standard half-inch by 20 cone nut right here. So you got one stud, one nut. We also sell them in bulk by the bag, 100 to a bag, or by the case. The case varies in quantity from anywhere from like 200 to 600 a case. So we do sell in bulk as well. But let's just measure out this stud real quick. Here's your common lug nut, standard lug nut. But the overall of this stud is going to be 2.1718 inches long. The head on it is going to be 0.76, or pretty close to 3/4 of an inch. The knurl diameter that actually goes into hub is 0.61, so the thread's going to be about 1.23 or 1 1/4 inch, pretty much. But the most important part when measuring is that knurl diameter. That needs to be pretty good, accurate on there. So 0.61, because that has to be able to fit into the stud. If it's too loose, it'll just fall right out. If it's too small, or if it's too big, it's not going to go in your hub. So be sure to double check that measurement. And the identifying marks on here is 26D25, just like the part number, and then CN on the end is for cone nut. So there you go. Half-inch by 20 thread, real common. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.